Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how we can change the Parker 45 fountain pen nib. This pen we received for repair. We could see the nib is broken. And let us see how we can remove the old nib. And this is the new nib. This is the new nib. We will see how to fix this one. We need some special tools for this. Not only this Parker pen, whatever converter type fountain pen we need to try. We need some special tools like this. This is a screwdriver. This you can find it in Amazon. We have ground the front portion and made this area flat. Like that we have ground all the tools. All the front side portion will be flat. According to the diameter we will use the tool. According to the diameter of the feeder. Okay. In few of our previous videos you might have noticed this is the aluminum block. In this block we need to position the grip area like this. Before that I would like to show how the converter is fixed. This is the hole. I hope you can see inside. A black color portion is appearing. So in that already we have selected the this 1.2 mm diameter. This is perfectly going inside. Now position in the hole and gently we need to tap it with a nylon hammer. Gently tap it, don't give more force, this will go down. To some extent it has come out. The entire portion has come out. So this is the method. See the broken nib. And we can see the feeder is having lot of contaminations. So that we need to clean. We have ultrasonic cleaners, and with the help of ultrasonic cleaners we will easily clean this one. This is the ultrasonic pen cleaning machine. We have kept the feeder and as well as the grip area. We could see with, before starting machine we can see the scales, and I am switching on now. Now the feeder is clear. What I have done is we put this feeder and grip area inside the ultrasonic bath. So we cleaned this thoroughly, and we applied a 6-bar air through this feeder hole. So whatever dust is there inside that, it will be blown off. So now we will try to fix this new nib. Yeah, new nib is here. So we need to position the nib in the feeder. Let us insert this one. Just assemble with the body to have a good grip in hand. And take a bit of cloth, or else nib will be stressing the fingers. Just push like this, gently push the nib like this, and now it has got fixed. Let us test how this pen writes after changing the nib. Let us try with Brillink. I am just pressing 2-3 times so that the air will come out. Yeah, the converter is fully fixed. It is filled with ink. Now let me write and see. Yeah, change the nib of Parker 45 fountain pen. A bit of scratchiness is there, and let us see whether the tines are in parallel position. And we can fine tune the nib also. Yeah, now it is somewhat smoother. And press against the glass like this and rotate like this. Now it is writing very well. If you I will show you some other similar types of the converter type fountain pens, how we can remove the feeder. And this is one of the uh, Jinao 75 converter type fountain pen, and I will make a separate video on this particular pen. Let us remove the feeder. So just place it here. Normally different types of holes are made because to rest the grip. So now the grip is resting. Earlier we saw in the outer diameter, in the grip diameter, it was holding. There is a chamfer in this area. So what happens, it will not damage the pen grip when we tap it. So in this feeder we can use same tool. Just I am pushing the tool, just I am holding the tool and grip together, and I am gently tapping it. Gently I need to tap it. What happens, the feeder comes out. It has not come out fully. Now it has come. So like this we can remove the nib from the feeder. So if you have any queries on this particular video, you can leave your queries in the comment section. We will try to answer you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video, friends.